Extension, powers and exponents, 9. Example. The letters y and z each represent an integer in the expression below. The expression is 2 times y to the 3 minus 8 divided by z. Which of the following values for y and z would result in the highest value for the expression? On the far left column, we have the row, followed by y, then z, and in the last column, we'll write the value. We'll start with row A. In row A, y will be negative 4, and z will be negative 4. Take the expression and replace y with negative 4 and z with negative 4. In brackets, negative 4 to the power of 3 is negative 64. 2 times negative 64 is negative 128. Bring down the subtraction sign. 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. Since we're subtracting a negative, we'll add the opposite. Negative 128 plus 2 is negative 126. So the value for row A is negative 126. Next, in row B, y will be 4 and z will be negative 4. So using the expression, we'll replace y with 4 and z with negative 4. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. 2 times 64 is 128. Bring down the subtraction sign. 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. Again, we're subtracting a negative, so we'll add the opposite. 128 plus 2 is 130. So the value for row B is 130. Next is row C. The value for y is negative 4, and the value for z is positive 4. Take the expression and replace y with negative 4 and z with positive 4. Negative 4 in brackets to the power of 3 is negative 64. 2 times negative 64 is negative 128. Bring down the subtraction sign. 8 divided by 4 is 2. We'll add the opposite. So negative 128 plus negative 2, and that equals negative 130. So the value for row C is negative 130. And finally, we have row D. Y has a value of 4, and Z has a value of 4. Take the expression, replace y with 4, and z with 4. Four to the power of 3 is 64. 2 times 64 is 128. Bring down the subtraction sign. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 128 minus 2 is 126. So the value for D is 126. Which of the following values for y and z would result in the highest value for the expression? The highest value is 130, and that will be row B.